name is Jacob Post. I'm a student veteran at University of Nebraska-Lincoln, and I'm also the president of the Student Veterans Organization.
As president of the SVO, Jake is in charge of organizing social activities for the members of the group to participate in. His favorite? The gun range.
It's fun to get people out and about and socialize with them, whether it's bowling, going to the rock climbing wall, or going to the range like me and you. It builds trust. You have positive interactions with people that have also served, or their brother or father or whatever have served. So it's one big family. That's the biggest thing about the military, is like it's one big family. It's fun to feel safe and welcome, and that you know that everyone around you understands you, because they do, truly, because they have gone through the same experiences that you have.